Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalk Couture. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you my hot mess technique. I love this technique because anyone can do it and it provides that wow factor we love with Chalk Couture. This technique's pretty easy. You're going to need at least 2 Chalkology paste colors. I'll be using 4. You'll want baby wipes, small squeegee, mini squeegees, and fingers. That's right. We're going to play with paste. Put your transfer on the board and start making circles randomly on the board with your finger, cleaning your finger with baby wipes in between each color. Once you have all of the colors laid out, you can go ahead and start making the circles bigger, and then grab your 2 squeegees and start mixing the colors. Don't mix to where they're brown, but you do want a slight mix because look at the effect it gives you. Absolutely amazing. The colors mix and provide other colors. I just absolutely love it. Now, you can also use this technique on elements. For example, snowflakes or leaves. Let me show you how. Using our squeegees and candy apple, bumblebee, and orange peel, I'm going to use the hot mess technique following the same process we did on the mermaid transfer. We'll use a mini squeegee and mix those colors and then remove the excess paste and look at the results we get. A beautiful marbled effect. I absolutely love it. Have fun with the colors. In this case, we'll take out the bumblebee and bring in currant jam, and it gives the leaf a completely different look. And of course, I couldn't show a leaf without showing you some green colors. So I'm going to grab the honeydew, the green envy, and the eucalyptus, and you will get a beautiful spring leaf. Just look at it. I love how the hot mess technique really brings a lot of different colors into a simple design. Now, by far one of my favorite transfers to use this technique on are our phrases. So this is a great way to incorporate kids into Chalk Couture. Because our Chalkology paste is non-toxic, they can totally have fun with their fingers and make the biggest mess. But nothing is better than watching the kids create what they think is a huge mess, and then you do the reveal and show them that they actually created something pretty priceless. To me, that's what Chalk Couture is all about. So I encourage you to have fun, play with the paste with your fingers, mix it up, and see how the hot mess technique can bring your creations to life. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out our other videos. Look at our Chalk Couture store or even join our team with the links above. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye, everyone.